everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some projects I created using the metal die sets I received from scrapdivadesigns. You could find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using the code PRISGEMIC10. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First, we have these conversation hearts. I decided to make them the same colors as the original conversation hearts, and also they're in a cookie form. I placed the background in this brown kind of color, and here they have different sayings. This one says best friend, and it has another best friend. Stay sweet, love you, let it shine, too cute, and I made another stay sweet. And in between we see these letters are kind of sparkly, so you could just put the whole entire background with this glitter paper, or there's many different ways of making this. So the best friend here you see here, I got the letters, the white letters, and I transfer it over to the leftover sparkly pieces that you see here that I used for here. So yeah, so that's what I did with these. And you can decorate these on your projects, 3D projects. You can make them into boxes using another metal die set that just came out in the February release. It's called the box making strips, and you can make a box out of this thing, out of this conversation heart. So let's move on to the next project. So next up we have this Giftbox gift card, and I made a tutorial for this, and I just thought I'll introduce you to more details about this box. And the butterfly you see here is also from the February release. It's called the Fringes Butterfly Small, and I've decorated with some lavender at the side, and it came like this, the lavender. It looks like it's kind of like a plastic sort of, and some additional flowers I've glued onto the lavender. And it comes with the bow, this Giftbox gift card set, as well as this perfume bottle, and I made it into a shaker. This heart came from the perfume bottle, and it also comes with the words open me and gift inside. This box is really perfect for gift giving, and once you open it up, it looks like this. I decorated with pom-pom trims. Once you open it up like this, it'll reveal a gift card, and you just slot it in here like this. And you could put many things in here. You could also put those the small fringe butterflies in here like this and give it as a gift. It's really perfect. I put some buttons here, dragonfly buttons, and it's magnetized. I also have one that is just a pin that I made here. Looks like this. Or you can make jewelry and put it at the bottom here. And I decided to make this another area where you can store some tags or some notes or some mementos in this little slot here, pocket. And I decorated with some ribbon trim. It's really super pretty, and I hanged a chain here. I put some of these eyelets in and put some chain here to make some movement in the gold highlights of the chain. Super cute. And here's the other Fringe Butterflies, also from the new release for February. And they're layered, and it could act as like pockets. So for these ones, I put little fairies into the butterfly like this, and didn't glue all the way for the different levels so that you could like slot them in to the butterfly. So yeah, many different ways of decorating this butterfly. I added some charms at the bottom. Really love these butterflies. It's super elegant. Next up, we have these bear gumball machine add-on. So it comes with this bear head, and it's an add-on to the prior old releases for this gumball machine. This Easter gumball machine was the first one that came out, and it came out with the body of the gumball machine and the top part of the machine, and it comes with the ears. And I put some Hubba Bubba gum stick charms here, and strawberries flavored. Inside it has some strawberry in there with some gumballs, and some of the sequins in there, and also a carrot, like some carrot resin pieces in there. And this collection is Maggie Holmes, I believe it's called Sweet Stories. And this little bunny is one of those patches that you can stick onto your clothing. I put it here because I thought it matched here and it was like really cute. And I love these resin pieces. These girls are like chewing gum, and there's like a bubble that they blew. And here's a mouth with a bubblegum bubble that they're blowing. And this coin comes from the claw machine, 3D claw machine that I made back in last year, and close to Christmas time. I came out with a 3D claw machine, and so this coin came from there, and it's like a perfect size for this gumball machine. And also this older version comes with carrots, so yeah, it's definitely really cute. So I used the base from there and stuck the bear gumball machine add-on, which is this part here, and it has a smiling face here too, but I didn't add it because I thought it was like it matched this bear that's from my stash. And so here again, I put the coin here and some embellishments at the bottom, and these are like puffy stickers. And yeah, and there's some bears inside, resin pieces, and some blue gumballs. And here's a bow with the girls again, and a bear resin. And here's another gum stick package. This one is like Jolly Ranchers, blue raspberry flavor. So I added a blue gummy bear and a blue raspberry. This is made of glass, this blue raspberry. So this is really fun to make. Next up, we have this round gift box. I believe, yes, round gift box. It's really cool. It has this window, and the window is set inside about maybe, let's see if I have my ruler here. It's like set to about maybe 1.5 centimeters deep, or in inches is like maybe, oh, this doesn't have inches, about 1.5 centimeters. So you could fit a lot of bigger pieces in here. It's really cool. As you can see, I can move this ticket. Kind of stuck there. So I have some this is like a Alice in Wonderland theme, and it's really neat. I added some polymer clay cards in here and some flat back resin, the rabbit, the white rabbit, and this Mad Hatter and the Cheshire Cat, and this is Alice, and these flowers are from my stash, and the butterfly is also from my stash. And I hanged a Alice charm here too. And it comes with a strip, so you can make it 3D inside. And I love this charm that I made. I stuck those nail stickers in there, this rabbit, and then the background paper. And the back of this charm is neat too. It shows like the white rabbit. Here's a white rabbit and some tea charms, teacup and a teapot with a key here. And this tea time is it's a little sign, so I put some brads here. These brads, you could stick some gems on top of it. And the back is really neat. I made this teapot. And I also have a tutorial for this one as well, if you're interested in making this one. And here's the Mad Hatter, time for tea, and inside it has a tea party with the tea sets again. Super neat. And let's open it up. Inside looks like this. So this is how it looks. And it's really neat. You can store stuff in here. So, like these conversation hearts can fit in here too. This box could be used for many different, like all season and many different themes. So it fits so much. This is what it looks like. So you can see through this window and see what inside the gift is like. And I put the conversation hearts in there, and you can see. And this side has the shaker bits. Super fun. And continuing on with the theme of Alice in Wonderland, the February release also came with these loaded pocket in small size. And I decided to make the pocket clear at the front with some polymer clay cards and make it into a shaker like this. And perhaps, like, if you want to store things in here, you could store quite a lot of things because it can expand. You can see here it expands the pocket. That's why it's called loaded pocket. So I haven't really loaded it much with anything, so it kind of slides out. So once you load more stuff in here, it'll be like all secured. Or you could secure this chain by making a hole here with an eyelet. And I really love this pocket. It's really nice. You could also put a ribbon here, like punch a hole and put a ribbon and make it like you could hang it onto your box, your gift box or something, and you could write a message in the back of this tag or decorate it further. And this these flowers are from my stash again, and this rosette is also from my stash, and I made it. The material for this rosette is I'm already forgetting what it's called. I'll list it in the description box again. It's the really thin see-through paper, and vellum, that's it, vellum. So yeah, and I stuck a saying here, a sentiment here, you're invited. And here are some playing cards from the collection from Graphic 45, Alice's Tea Party. I punched a hole and put an eyelet, and I used this ball chain to put it together. And this is what it is. So many nice pictures. And here's another one. Two different styles in one set. And lastly, I have this Tumblr mini album. You can make it into album. I made this into a shaker too, and it comes with this crafty girl word die set, and I punched a hole here and added some charms. And it's little twin star theme. And these straws, I added some bows. These bows are from my stash, and it could slot in here. I made it a pocket in the back to slot it. And this came from the loaded pocket, small, as you can see. And I stored all. You could get a Tumbler Stamp Set for this tumbler, and it's sold separately, or there's also one where you can buy both of them together. And the stamp sets, there's like about 6 of them, I think. And yeah, so I can remove this and show you. I put the loaded pocket also at the front here and made it clear with acetate. So here are some sayings, if I can get them out. This one says, I run on caffeine and design paper. And then this one is, hold on, let me overthink this. Mom's sippy cup, talk crafty to me. Girls just want to have fun. And there's another one here. This might be wine. So yeah, you can change it up, the wordings. It's very nice. Oops. Might want to glue this in. I still have a few more projects for the February release. I'm still working on them, but they're probably going to be done by next week. And I'll list all the links for the projects that I just showed you in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!